Ngatho cia mwanya ni gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Karagu muraya uria utwarite mutumia wake Mrs Wonderful gathabari icua-ini cia bururi wa Zanzibar no Gwîtetera arathie na mbere Gwîtetera kuri mutumia wake Triza ni undu wa maheni agikorirwo akimuhenia riria mahikanagia. Ni undu wa maheni macio maria Karagu arauga ati ni athiete na mbere na kuhoya muhera nginyagia kuri in-laws ake na ni koro agika kiundu gia gucenjia muturire wa mutumia wake na nginya wa aciari a mutumia wake. Karagu arauga riria endaga kuhikia mutumia wake Triza, he cheated on her na kumuhenia ati ni agwakira aciari ake nyumba akimenyaga ndari ona kanyamu. Riu akiuga ati ni oyete itua ria gutigirira ati ni atharia maheni macio make na ni akioya itua riu ria gwaka nyumba iria agikoretwo agipromise aciari a mutumia wake. Akiuga 12 years ago, I promised this beautiful girl that immediately after our wedding, I would give her parents a nice home and myself, I didn't have one. Agitheka muno, ilikuwa tu kauongo kidogo ndio aingie box. Last week I remembered the promise and I decided to fulfill it, and by the grace of God, soon we will hand it over to her parents. Dear ladies, stop giving upon your husbands. They know all what they have promised you and they will fulfill. It's a matter of time and patient. Ni maheni ma Karagu no ria magi catch up nake no ria agihanyuka niguo akejibizane na maheni macio. Make sure no turn on your notification or subscribe niguo hindi ciothe twaikia video gakorwo ri wa mbere gukinyirwo. Thank you for watching. Tucamane in our next one.